On International Human Rights Day, the Organisation of African, Caribbean and Pacific States has been discussing how it can improve the human rights records of its members. In its 2022 report, for instance, Human Rights Watch said that the security forces of the host Angola continue to be implicated in serious human rights abuses, including summary executions. And in the streets near the OACPS summit, students complained that life remains precarious, so much so that many hope to somehow flee to Europe. Here in Angola, we have noticed that the living situation has been very precarious for a long time, and we see that despite our government's efforts, the efforts are not significant. The poor keep getting poorer and poorer, and we see children on the streets in a terrible situation. And people think that by leaving, submitting themselves to an immigration that is often inhumane for a better life, that this would be the most adequate. But what should be done is for our government to improve the living situation so that we Africans don't have to leave our country of origin.
Situações melhores para nós africanos não termos que sairmos do nosso país de origem.
Nowadays, everyone thinks that in Africa you can't achieve anything, and that in Europe you can achieve something. In Africa there are people in misery with nothing, there are middle classes and people in misery, and people always have the perception that Europe is a path that can make them stand out in life, and they can look for dangerous means to be able to get there. Not everyone has the possibility to travel by traditional means. And sometimes they risk their lives to be able to cross rivers, the sea. They do very complicated things. The African continent today, unfortunately, is not developed enough, and people think that in Europe they can get better living conditions. And what can be done to stop illegal immigration? The African leaders are to blame, because if they create the conditions in each country, I believe that many people will not need to leave the continent. What needs to be done is to invest more in education. People have to be able to live, even if it's only the basics, and here that doesn't exist. The state in the various countries has to invest in education, nutrition and security. These factors can reduce the increase in migration from Africa to the other continents.
Estes fatores podem diminuir o aumento da migração de África para os outros continentes.
But despite the serious human rights shortcomings of many of its members, the OACPS claims that by 2030 many rights issues and even poverty itself will be improved.